Hi guys, welcome back. Alpha Wolf here. Let me tell you guys something. See, yesterday I made a video on how to find cryptocurrency that's going to pump 500%, and I made this video 90 minutes long. I didn't want to make a crypto related video initially, but after I made this video, I saw the tons of comments you guys gave on this video, like how you guys love the video is awesome, you guys have missed me. I really loved the feedback of this video. Because of that, I'm like, no, I need to teach my people a lot of stuff. I need to show my people some things. That is the main reason why I'm coming on to make this video, because today's video I'm going to teach you how to buy cryptocurrency for massive gains. How do you buy cryptocurrencies? Where do you buy? What do you look out for? This video is going to be tons of valuable content that I'll be sharing with you guys. Do you know the reason? Because you guys showed me love, and the only way you reciprocate love is by giving people love back and by giving them more value. So today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can buy and sell Bitcoin, and you can use this method for any cryptocurrency for massive gains. At what point do you buy? When do you buy the Bitcoin? And when do you enter? When do you sell off? This is what I'm going to tell you guys to do. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you show me love in this video again. A thank you, a motivation and encouragement in the comment section is going to make me make another video that I'm going to share more knowledge, right? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. So for us to achieve this, we are going to use TradingView. For those of you that don't know what TradingView is a platform where crypto, forex, stock guys, we come and it's like a community, just like the way you have social media where people interact, and with just people that are into cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, bonds, any form of investment and stuff. TradingView is our platform where we see the charts, we analyze the market, we learn more about the various products, we look at other guys, other people that are in the community, what they are talking about, and we know about the brokers and a lot of stuff. But I'm not going to be focusing on that today. When you come to tradingview.com, you're going to come to products. When you come to products, you will go to charts. In this chart, you're going to click on it. When you open it, right, it's going to give us the crypto chart, the Bitcoin chart. Oh my God, look at my crypto chart. Everything is looking marked up and down, and I have to clear this my marks so that I can teach you guys what I want to teach you. Anyway, when you come to this chart, you're going to click on, if it is not showing Bitcoin for you, you're going to click here. You're going to write the symbol of the cryptocurrency you are looking for. So if it is Bitcoin you are looking for, just write BTC, and you're going to peg it to USDT. Write USDT, right? So it's going to show you different Bitcoin chart, Binance, KuCoin. Just click on the first one, BTC USDT. You're going to click on it. When it clicks, it is going to open just like the way this one has opened. This is a Bitcoin chart, right? In this particular chart, I have done a lot of analysis here, but because of you guys, I'm going to delete this, right? I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to teach you guys something that is very important, right? So this is what you are going to do. I'm going to clear these things I've done here. I honestly don't want to clear this, but I just have to clear it so that I can teach, right? I'm going to come here and I'm going to remove drawings, right? Then I'm going to off indicators. Now when you open your chart is going to look like this. I'm going to teach you how you read this chart and how you enter this chart. When you open a chart looks like this. What you are going to see, looking at the chart, are things that are going to give you the knowledge you need to invest in the crypto market. Now I want you to look at this chart confidently without any fear. Are you listening to me? So in this chart, we are just going to look at ordinary chart like this, and we are going to interpret this chart, right? What you can see is that from here, this was in August 2017. That was when Bitcoin was launched, right? What happened was, when Bitcoin was launched, Bitcoin went up. By December 2017, Bitcoin got to $19,000, $19,400. Then it came down, and after that it has been down. Then guess what happened? In the year 2020, around that August 2020, Bitcoin pumped massively to 2021. Look at it. When it got to March, January, February, March, April. In the month of April, Bitcoin got to $64,000 in year 2021. And guess what happened next? As at July, in that same 2021, April, May, June, July, Bitcoin went down. There was a movement downward, and Bitcoin got to $29,000 around that region. Then guess what happened again? In the year 2021, by November, Bitcoin got to the all-time high, which was around $70,000, $69,000 thereabout, right? This is it. Then after then, Bitcoin started coming down. So all through last year, Bitcoin was coming down. It was coming down. It was coming down. It was coming down. And Bitcoin got to as low as, in the month of December, Bitcoin was low as $15,000. Look at it around this place. Bitcoin was around 15,700. Guess what happened now? Now it's looking like Bitcoin is going up. So from this place alone, you can see the direction of Bitcoin. That Bitcoin went up massively, and currently it is coming down. If you can't see this thing clearly, you want to see the chart clearly, all you need to do is to come to this place that you can see this can just click here. You're going to see different kind of charts type. So you are going to click online. If you click online, you are just going to see straight line that will show you how this thing has moved. You can see how the Bitcoin went up, got to this point, came down once here, came down, right? With this, you have a clear direction of what has happened. Bitcoin went very high in 2021 and it came down in 2022, and currently it is looking like it is moving, right? So what we are now going to do next is for us to see clearly the areas that are very important in this Bitcoin that we need to mark. Now, something you need to take note of looking at this chart is that there's something we call imaginary areas that traders look at when they want to trade a cryptocurrency. Those imaginary areas are areas that stand out. We call them areas of support and areas of resistance. You need to know the area of support and the area of resistance in the crypto market before anything. Like when you look at the chart, where is the area of support? Where is the area of resistance? Example, if you look at this chart, this is a weekly time frame. The area of support in this chart, the first thing I do is I just quickly note them. Let me use a horizontal line quickly. Like this is a support, this is a resistance, right? This is a support, this is a resistance, right? This is a support. This place, there's a support around here, right? There's a resistance here. Yeah. There's a support here. There's a resistance here. Right, very fast. Like when I look at the chart, this is the first thing I can quickly identify the area of support and the resistance, and there is a resistance here. If I go to the lower time frame, everything is going to look clear to make a lot of sense. But the question is, how did I quickly notice this place? How did I identify them? Once you are able to identify the area of support and resistance, you know the places to trade, you know places to avoid trading, you know when to enter, you know when not to enter, right? In my next video, I will now show you guys step by step how you can identify the areas of support and resistance. It will be a longer video. I just wanted to show you guys how I identify it very fast, right? In that video, I'll show you how to identify area of support and resistance, what you need to look out for. And yes, I'll now go on to continue this video. This video is over 40 minutes long if I decide to do it once, so I'll be taking it bit by bit so that you guys will be able to understand. If you have any question whatsoever concerning this particular video so far, leave that in the comment section, right? If you have anything you want to know concerning cryptocurrency, leave that in the comment section. If you find this content interesting and helpful, don't forget to like the video, encourage me, you leave something sweet so that I'll be motivated to do more content for you guys. By the end of this particular series, before I finish dropping all the videos, you would have understood step by step how to read the chart, how to identify the market direction, the market structure, and also how to enter the market and how to exit the market, right? Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it is the love you guys are showing me that is making me create more content. If you like this video, you find it helpful, tell me thank you Alpha, more videos, more content, so that I will do more to update you guys. Bye for now. I love you, Alpha Wolf. I really do love you guys. Signing out.